Jogging your memory, understanding this unique English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically focusing on the phrase, jog my memory. This is a common expression you might encounter in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started. The phrase, jog my memory, is an idiom used when someone is trying to remember something that they have forgotten or can't quite recall. The word, jog, in this context means to stimulate or nudge. So, when you say, jog my memory, you're essentially asking for something or someone to help you remember. It's like giving your memory a little push. Let's look at how this phrase can be used in real-life scenarios. For instance, if someone is struggling to remember the name of a movie, they might say, "Can you jog my memory? What was the name of that film we watched last week?" Or, if you're trying to recall an event, you might say, "Seeing these photos really jogs my memory about our trip to the beach." Understanding synonyms can be really helpful. Other ways to express the same idea include refresh my memory, ring a bell, and remind me. Each of these phrases has a slightly different nuance but revolves around the concept of aiding memory. To effectively use jog my memory in conversation, try to relate it to situations where you need a little help remembering something. It's a casual, informal phrase, perfect for everyday use. For example, "I'm having a hard time recalling his name. Can you jog my memory?" And that wraps up our lesson on the phrase, jog my memory. I hope this video has been informative and helps you remember and use this idiom confidently in your English conversations. If there are any other phrases or idioms you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.